Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's try these 4 cupcake designs. Start with a chocolate cupcake and use the back end of a piping nozzle to cut a hole in the middle. Add some strawberry jam and coat in whipped cream. Dip in melted chocolate. And add some star sprinkles. There. Next, get a vanilla cupcake, again cutting a hole in the middle, this time adding orange jam. Orange and yellow buttercream icing, and a slice of lemon on top. Back to chocolate again, making a hole in the middle, and fill with melted chocolate. Pipe on Oreo cream, and an Oreo cookie goes on top with some chocolate chips. Lovely! Finally, we've got a blueberry vanilla cupcake, and this time we're piping in blueberry jam. Coating in purple buttercream icing, and adding sugar sprinkles and a cherry on top. And there you have it, 4 flavoursome and colourful cupcake designs. Which one do you like the best? Enjoy!